did you even do that?
And stay right there, stay right there.
Oh,
There's a little bit more too.
I didn't know I could crack stuff back there.
All right, down a little bit, and hold your breath, and then all the way out. Tuck a little bit more, and breathe.
Good.
Woo, baby.
I can't even imagine how you crack those. Like, I feel like that's the most impressive part to me is like how that even cracks back there. It's magic.
It is magic.
It's the prestige.